Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla and Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand welcomed the trophy tour of the 135th Indian Oil Durand Cup to Imphal today as the tournament's three iconic trophies arrived in the state. A grand ceremonial function was held at City Convention Centre. Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goel, Lieutenant General Gambhir Singh, Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh, Manipur DGP Mukesh Singh, General Officer Commanding Red Shield Division, Major General Shubhankar Basu, SCSM Inspector General Assam Rifles South, Major General Gaurav Sharma, along with senior civil and military officials, representatives of participating clubs and members of the football fraternity attended the program. Addressing the gathering, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla said, "The return of the Durand Cup to the Kuman Lampag main stadium is far more than a sporting event. It is a catalyst for hope and renewal. The roar of our football-loving crowds can achieve what few policy initiatives alone can accomplish." He asserted that the 135th edition of the Indian Oil Durand Cup is not merely another chapter in the history of Indian sport. It is a testament to the resilience, optimism and resurgence of Manipur.
We are unveiling the Durand Cup, historically one of the oldest tournament, and we are very happy that it's being hosted here in Imphal for the second time, in consecutive year. So Manipur, as MC had mentioned in this thing, that we are a sports powerhouse. So it's not just, Manipur is not a geographical jewel of our northeast, like it's what its name says. It's a cradle of fierce pride, unbreakable resolve, and an absolute non-negotiable love for football. I must extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Indian Army, especially the Eastern Command, under the visionary leadership of Lieutenant General V.M. Krishnan, the Army Commander, for ensuring that Imphal stands proud as a host venue once again. By bringing this grand stage back to our people, Eastern Command has reaffirmed its deep faith in the youth and the enduring spirit of Manipur. We are unveiling.
Minister Yumnam Khemchand maintained that football is not merely a sport. It is a shared language that unites communities and transcends generations. He added that hosting the Durand Cup matches in Imphal is a matter of great pride and, more importantly, provides young footballers with an invaluable opportunity to showcase their talent before scouts, clubs and football enthusiasts from across the nation.
My deepest appreciation to Indian Army and Eastern Command under the leadership of Lieutenant General V.M. Krishnan for organizing this Durand Cup. Even as our security forces work tirelessly to maintain peace and stability across the region, dedicating to organizing this tournament proves that the investment in the well-being and future of our youth. The government of Manipur stands shoulder to shoulder with the armed forces to ensure this tournament is executed flawlessly. This year, the Durand Cup is expanding its footprint across Eastern India, welcoming Ranchi as a new host alongside Calcutta, Guwahati, Shillong and Imphal.